I am at the same machine and I don't know say that tattoo machine made from a made from a fork, a motor, a piece of iron, a drop. Have a rod inside, a pen, it's a pen frame with some tape on it, you know. Fork is bent at a 90-degree angle, motor tape on the top, and the pen tape on the bottom, the long end. There's a needle at in the point here, and I use the button on the motor. See right there. The motor, the shaft of the motor there on through one of the holes of the button. And the rod through the other hole of the button, and it go down through the pen. Tape down everything, and you don't know anything set. You need to come out through your front here, so see needle, see if you can see needle. Make the needle kind of well short, cause I don't really want to just show up too much and see what I'm going. Can't see needle, yeah. See needle there. Well, man. See me? See me? So that tag along with me thing and be a thing connected to a 9 volt charger, battery charger, or whatever you want to call it. There it is. Connected to a 9 volt charger, whatever that shit is. You know what I mean? That's what it is. So we're gonna plug this thing in and then we're gonna see what it does. See what happens. Yeah, it works. Huh? I mean, turn on the music and see what's happening with this thing. Alright, it's all live. See the motor? And there you go. They ain't got no switch on it though, so we can't turn this shit off. We gotta plug it out. I mean, it's not really all that bad, but I mean, it goes like a motherfucker. Check it out. See the damn needle? Just throw it down with my finger. See the needle? Like it ain't moving, man. Crazy. See? Goes like hell. Alright, so I'm gonna do my tattoo. I'm gonna write my initials on my hand and see how this thing goes. See if it works. Alright? Then when he said back in a minute. I'm gonna stop the video and do it. I can't hold this thing. Video this thing on my own. In a sec. Alright, so here we go. Here we are. Here we are. This is the finished tattoo. I mean, tattooed my initials. Lucky number 13 on my hand. Yeah, lucky number 13. My initials, JJ. It's not all that pretty, but it's done. It's good. Good, man. Yeah, I did that. It's cool, right? Number 13. It's not all that bad, considering that I can't draw. I'm not really a tattoo artist. Just trying so much how to make a tattoo gun. But I figure since I made it, why not try it? Works. Yeah. So I don't know, JJ Everfast 13 represent show your machine again, see machine. Don't know. You see me? Who made fork and motor and bunch of something. With a bunch of tape. Or in duct tape you would have bother still, but it's just regular tape. You see me? A whole bunch of something with a nice little button. Put on the thing there, you see me? Spray it and mint on it. It's a 10. You see me? Prison style, but me never got prison yet. I'm not pray for go. Adi! My daddy I can't stay. I'm not come visit you. Thing well mad up. You see me? We up and stay up. JJ Everfast 13 representing. You see me? Up.